My kitchen is incredibly ugly, which doesn't really sound like a business thing, but it kind of is. It's kind of a thing that reflects my values. I have a really freaking ugly kitchen. And the reason is like, I could choose to spend my money that I earn in my business that I work hard for. I could choose to spend that money renovating my kitchen, right? I could do that. It's a choice. But I value my financial security and my ability to rest so much more that to me, I would rather put money towards my long-term future into investment accounts. I would rather do that than spend the money to make my kitchen beautiful. Really and truly, that is the choice I have made. I live with a functional but super ugly kitchen because I love that money being in my investment accounts. In other words, I care about having actual wealth versus the appearance of wealth that a fancy kitchen would have, right? I could have that fancy kitchen, but I choose not to. And I think this is a good kind of rule of thumb for all of us. It's not about having it all, right? I mean, I think unless you're a millionaire, billionaire, you're never going to have it all, but you do get to choose. You do get to make choices. And I think rather than have it all, I have priorities.